Where does that go? What? Wait, huh? Oh, you know what? Chicken. Fry this chicken. Ito rin. You threw the thing! No! You threw it! Oh my god! Give me the fries! Give me the fries! Jenna! Give me fries! Jenna! Give me the Wait, how do I chop this? I can't chop this. Wait. Give me the fries. Just give me the fries.
Sino nahulog?
Give me the thing. Throw it here, please. Throw it. Some salad. Wait, shit. Where'd I go?
Ayaw mo yan. Pinapatag lang natin dyan yung order sa tubig pag wala.
Give me this. Oh my gosh. Dumiretso sa trash can. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. I can see you. So please stop. Don't throw it onto me. Stop. Oh my gosh. Burger. We need buns. Buns.
Elfo caccia.
Cheese. Oh! I threw the cheese away! No! Please! Tomato. Oh! What? Why am I throwing it in the trash can? I can't put it there! We didn't do it. Oh, this is so much better. Okay, wait, what's this? Okay. Oh my god, this is way worse pala. Holy shit. Okay. Okay, flour. Egg. Honeycomb. Honey. Maybe you have to do something to the honey first. No. Maybe you have to chop the honey first. Oh no, there's fire! Yo, there's fire! Yo, what the fuck? There's fire! Carrot. Okay, wait. Okay, we need to make the next one. Wait, how do you cook this? Oven. Okay, I'm gonna... stop, please! Please move! Oh my god! Oh shit! Okay, chop this. Please stop that. I'm stuck! Please help me! I'm stuck! Please! I'm stuck! Wait! Oh my god! Wait, chocolate! You have to give chocolate! No, you have to give chocolate! Chocolate! Oh no! Oh shit! What? Oh fuck! Wait, where's the... Wait, did you throw... You threw the... Did you throw the fucking... You put it in the in the batter. Then mix it. Oh no, you have to chop it! You have to chop it! You have to chop it! Okay, can you chop this? Can you chop this? Chop this? Chop that, chop that. Oh, we need more. No, we need wheat. Wait. Wait.